The future of engineering and manufacturing is really bright.
To be honest, I wasn't a big fan of school. I got to a point in year 10 where I wasn't enjoying myself and thought that getting in a more hands-on environment would be a lot better for me. I gave it a crack, gave it the first 3 months. It was a lot more hands-on than school. I was getting right into everything.
Fabrication is now a career with lots of pathways and exciting opportunities where it doesn't just restrict to that environment where everyone sort of thinks fabrication is dirty and dangerous.
Being an engineering teacher at Chisholm is really important to me because I want to help inspire and facilitate the next generation of women to get into engineering and realise that we are really welcomed in this space. We have a lot of focus on inclusivity and mental health awareness.
I believe that a woman can do what men can do, and studying at Chisholm is helping me to do that.
Don't be afraid. There's so many people out there to support you, that want to support you and want to make a difference.
I feel like that with the course I'm doing at the moment and with the other courses that I have available to me, I can really develop my skill set to be a lot better than what they currently are. And if I continue on that path, I feel like I'll end up somewhere qualified in my trades beyond a level that I could possibly have even seen myself in.
I like seeing the students come in straight from school with their dreams of the trade and actually helping them along the way and seeing the results they achieve.
Industry's come a long way in the last 5 years, from the introduction of laser welding, new safety parameters, a better understanding of metallurgy in general. It's a really exciting industry to be a part of, particularly with the influx of robotics and AI industry.
For anyone wanting to study engineering, there are many different opportunities in the workforce. The world's your oyster.